Today I'm going to be treating my backyard area here around the pool to kill mosquitoes and other bugs and ants. And the product I'm using is this cutter backyard bug control spray concentrate, and it connects to the hose, and I'll go around and spray basically all the plants down and then the surrounding ground area to kill off the ants and mosquitoes. And it controls other bugs as well, like grubs and cinch bugs and white flies. It says it kills grubs, ants, fleas, chinch bugs, mosquitoes, sod webworms, aphids, beetles, white flies, mites, deer ticks, Japanese beetles, European crane flies, fire ants, and other listed insects. So, and it says this lasts all summer, up to 12 weeks. So I'm going to apply it today. Hopefully get rid of mosquitoes is the main problem, and ants are the two main problems I've been having around here. So I'm going to wanted to share this with you guys, and I will have a link in the description for it. I bought it by the case, so I get a further discount on it. It's worth having around, especially if you want to spend any time outdoors in the summertime, but any time of the year basically if you're in Florida. I do have bug zappers too around the house, like this one here, and it stays pretty active through the night. I have it come on at nighttime, and but it's just not enough. It only does so much, and I definitely want to kill off the mosquitoes because of all the rain we've been having. But anyways, I'll get started and show you how it works. So you want to pull out this tab here, and this lever right here controls the flow of the water. So this pulling it back towards you would turn it on, and then pushing it forward turns it off. So I'm going to spray down the bamboo and spray the ground as well. And each bottle covers up to 5,000 square feet. Spraying down the pavers too. At least get a good protective barrier. So again, I'm just going to do a coat on the ground. Make sure it's a good coat on the ground. And then the other problem I've been having with the bamboo is like a white fly or aphid. So it should kill those off too. They've been chewing on the leaves. So like I said, recently it's just been so bad with the mosquitoes and ants. So I like to do my own pest control. And spraying down the pavers. kind of shake the bottle around to see if, make sure you still have solution in there, which I can still feel that there is. So check it periodically, make sure you're not running out of it. And that banging noise you hear in the background is a crane driving in concrete pilings into a ground for a new construction house. So that's been a constant thing of the ongoing sounds of new construction in the area. And make sure you get the ground nice and covered, because cover all the other ground type bugs, and even mosquitoes like to hang out on the ground. I've got a little bit left. I'll probably go through 2 bottles in my yard. Some are going down the side over here where the mosquitoes have been really bad. See, I'll show you on this bamboo leaf. See how it's like a different color here? Well, it's like a certain kind of a mite that's eating the leaf, causing that damage. Been having problems with ants coming around, and they start going in between the pavers and digging up sand. And it's great that it also takes care of fire ants, because that's been the other problem. Yeah, I can feel the bottle's light now. It's basically out, but yeah, I wanted to share with you what I do around the yard. This should make a difference now, since the mosquitoes have been bad, and wanted to share it with you. So like I said, I'll have a link in the description for you to pick up a bottle. You can also find it at your local hardware store too, but like I said, I bought it by the case, so I got it at a cheaper rate. So like I said, it's supposed to last up to, they say it lasts up to 12 weeks. I don't know if that's the case or not, but I'll certainly put it to the test here. But I've used this stuff before, and I noticed it does make a difference. So as far as the amount of time goes, that I'm not sure of. Like I said, it covers up to 5,000 square feet of lawn, and it's safe to spray on your landscaping and lawns. If you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up, and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks and DIY reviews, and hope you have a great day. Thanks.